Okay, drawing trees. So the first thing when drawing trees is we should look at good examples. Please use the examples that I gave you guys on PDF, and this would be a typical example of a tree that you can copy on plan. So where to start with a tree? The first thing to remember is to keep your trees as round as possible. So that means you want to get your shape right, and then you can either just leave it like that, or you can wrap your tree, your shape, in foliage. So you can carry on like this. I can't, unfortunately, turn my page here, so my texture is not going to be so hot. But this would be the basic theory how to do a tree. So it's important to keep it round, and then to get your texture right. So the texture we use for these trees are two kinds of lines. The one is what we call the continuous M line, which is something like this. You can make the fingers a bit longer, and you keep on turning your pencil. And the other one would be what we call the cloud line, which is a bit more of a design rough line, like this, which is a combination of sharp angles and soft foliage, something like that. So to start your tree is get a nice circle, and then you choose one of these textures and wrap your tree in that. Afterwards, you can actually do the whole tree like this, up to a point that it looks something like that, and then choose a side that's going to be in shadow. I'm just quickly going to use our usual rendering texture here to show that this side is in shadow. It's one way of doing it. And then on the ground, it's very important, especially on your site plan, to show that something has height. So I'm going to put in a shadow here on this tree, being careful to follow that line. And also note that for this ground shadow, you'll see my pencil line is fairly thick. Okay, so I haven't completed the tree in that respect. I can now go over it again, but that is what you should be aiming for.